For me, my take is being consistent and staying committed. It's not one of those things that happens overnight, as a lot of people think. It's something that staying committed and consistent with is really how you're going to achieve wealth and success in wealth. For instance, automating your investments or your savings, right? Kind of set it and forget it. Taking small steps that will allow you to comfortably contribute to your goals without hindering your lifestyle, right? Doing something that's manageable and automating that, setting up an auto draft on your bank account or your 401k contributions from your job. They're just automated out of payroll. So those are great ways to get rich, and they're easy ways. You want to make finances as simple as possible. There's a method, the KISS method. You may have heard of it. Keep it simple, stupid. And so that kind of approach is how you want to approach finance just in general. So other options you could do is do side hustles, right? Find other ways to create income streams, whether that's passive like investments, bonds or fixed income dividends, or just having a side hustle, maybe doing web design or doing Uber or Lyft, something that can increase the money that you've got coming in so that you can utilize that money and kind of send your money out to grow.